Practical activity 3.2. This practical activity is basically about data testing. So data testing basically means is that you'll be asked to create a table where you have to test is normal, abnormal, and extreme. For example, you have a test data between 5 and 20. So 10 basically is normal and it should be accepted. So there's another column which is actual outcome that can be asked as well, where you will display, give a screenshot of the spreadsheet showing that has been accepted. Extreme means it's in lower boundary. 20 means it's also an extreme, it's upper extreme, and it's also in the upper extreme limit. Okay, it's acceptable. 3 basically is abnormal because it's not within the boundary. -10 is also abnormal because it's not in the boundary. ABC is also abnormal because it's not in the boundary, and decimal is also abnormal because it's the boundary. So you have to make a second table, and this is what you have to do. So in the same way, you basically have to make the following. Just like this, you have to make a table, and you have to add the following values. Okay, test table. For example, you will do over here is input value whole number, which is less than 1000. Okay, and input value decimal greater than this. So that's the way you will be doing this.